Hello everyone, so today we have the Durafit Compact Treadmill here. So I just got this delivered, I'll be unboxing it right now. So I have managed to remove the bubble wrap. I have removed the box also, so you can see this is the treadmill. A lot of styrofoam. Let me do one thing, let me get this out of the box and I'll get back to you. Let's remove this now. Got this inside the box. It's a Durafit sticker. There is the lubrication with few Allen keys. There is the remote. Okay, so it goes on top like this. Okay, so I'll show you how this works. So this is the remote. So this is for power on off, increasing, decreasing speed, and you have preset speeds that is 2 and 4. This is to start the treadmill. I don't know what this is for. I tried a lot, but I don't think this seems to be doing anything. So I'll just show you. You can see it's on now. So if I press this button, it will be turned off. Press it again on. Now if I press on this button, you can see it started working. So we'll turn it on again. So you can see it counts down from 3. Now it's at 1 km per hour. Now if I press 2, it changes to 2 km per hour. I can press this plus button to kind of increase it manually. I can press and hold to do it like this, and I can press 4, which is another preset. Now I'll show you how to increase it further. You can press and hold this plus button. You can see it's increasing 5, 6 and 8. So this is the maximum speed. So this is the sound it makes when it's at maximum speed. I'll just move my mic closer. Yeah. Now if I want to turn it off, again you can take the remote and press this button. So you can see it will reduce slowly and it will come to a stop. Then you have the handlebar. I think it's decent, but it's not that sturdy. You can see it moves around quite a bit, especially when you are running or walking on it. It's not that sturdy. Yeah, even the treadmill is not that sturdy. As you can see, it moves a lot. So as you can see, when I'm stepping on it, it's not that sturdy. It's making all these sounds. So I would say it's not that sturdy, and it will make a lot of sound when you are working out on it. But I think for the price, it's good. Can't complain at this price range. They have the small mount here. You can keep the remote here, and if you have a tablet, then you can keep it on this, or maybe even a mobile phone. I'm not sure, but I normally keep my remote here so that it is easy to use. So when I use it above the speed 4, I've noticed that it makes some weird sounds, but I don't think I can show that to you right now, mainly because the treadmill itself makes more noise. So I don't think I can capture it now, but yeah, that's something that I noticed. Build quality, I don't think it's that good. It's not that sturdy. I think I got it for around 11,000 or 12,000 on Flipkart during the sale. I think for the price, it's a good deal. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope it was useful. Do let me know if you have any questions on this product. I have been using this from I think 3 to 4 days now. So far no problems. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys in another video.